ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। हमारे ध्यान में आवो प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ। अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर। हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारे धर्म हो सेवा, हमारा कर्म हो सेवा। सदा ईमान हो सेवा, व सेवक जन बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना। वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A fine good morning to all of you. Today's thought: I like a teacher who gives you something to take home, to think about besides homework. The meaning of the thought is: a good teacher is one who imparts some value to you every day apart from academic gain. I repeat the thought: I like a teacher who gives you something to take home, to think about besides homework. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Hearty wishes to all my teachers and colleagues on this very special day. I am here to introduce a new word to you. The new word is dedicated. Let me give you the spelling: D-E-D-I-C-A-T-E-D. Its meaning in English is being loyal or devoted to someone or something. In Hindi, Samarpit, and in Malayalam, Arpanabodhamullathu. Here is a sentence using the word. The more dedicated you are, the more successful you will be in your life. Let me repeat the word: dedicated. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Today's news headlines. Teachers' Day is being celebrated across India today. Compartment examinations for 10th and 12th announced. India on Wednesday banned more than 100 mobile applications. Kochi Metro is all set to resume service from September 7th. IPL 2020 is set to start from 19th of this month. Now the news in detail. Teachers' Day is being celebrated across India today to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on his 132nd birth anniversary. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was India's first Vice President and second President. Teachers' Day was first celebrated in 1962, the year he became the second President of India. Since then, the day has been celebrated every year. The compartment examinations for classes 10th and 12th will be conducted from September 22nd to 29th, the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) announced today. India on Wednesday banned more than 100 mobile applications, including the huge popular mobile gaming app PUBG, after banning 59 Chinese apps in the first round earlier this year. Kochi Metro is all set to resume service from September 7th after being shut down for more than 5 months. The service was stopped on March 23rd and it will resume on September 7th as per the guidelines issued by the central government. The much awaited Indian Premier League IPL 2020 is set to start from September 19th in the United Arab Emirates. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dear teachers, thank you for continuously inspiring me to do my works better. You helped me to strive for my goals. I found guidance, friendship, love, care, everything from one person, and that person is you. I wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
All the efforts and hard work you invested in bringing out the best in us can never be repaid by saying such mere words. So, we feel grateful for having wonderful teachers like you. I once again wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
It takes a big heart to help the little minds, which I have found kindness, love, friendship, and discipline in my dearest teachers, and for teaching us your life lessons from your experience. Happy Teachers' Day to all my loving teachers.
For teaching children lessons to help them as they grow, let this gift remind you you're the best teachers we know. Happy Teachers' Day.
The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower, makes you the world's best teacher. Happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, thanks for supporting and enlightening all my way. If only I could have your blessings for a lifetime, I would succeed the way I have done always. Thank you and have a wonderful Teachers' Day.
Dear teacher, your inspiring words had made a difference in my life. Thank you for making what I am today. Sending my warm wishes and hoping that you have a wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you.
most respected principal sir, beloved teachers, and my dear students. Good morning to all. Teachers Day is the day to recognize the services rendered by our teachers. On this great occasion, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all my dear teachers. I also pay my rich tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India, who was a great scholar, philosopher, author, and educationist par excellence. Teachers play vital role in shaping the future of the students, and they are the true nation builders. Dear students, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan teachers working day and night to ensure the all-round development of their students and to reach the top level of the excellence in all areas, including CCA activities, academics, sports, and other field of their life. Dear students, this is the day to salute our teachers for their great contribution in bringing laurels to our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatans. I thanks to all of you for the excellent work done and wish you very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.